Hey everyone, today we are diving into the Logitech Ergo K860, a highly anticipated ergonomic keyboard that has been making waves. Remember, you can find the product link in the description box down below, and we will include any discounts we can find for you. Wait, an ergonomic keyboard? What's that? A keyboard that does yoga? Not quite, Tom. Ergonomic keyboards are designed to reduce strain and improve comfort, making them ideal for people who type a lot. So, first impression, Ben. What do you think of this weird looking keyboard? At first glance, the Logitech Ergo K860 looks quite different from your average keyboard. It has a split layout and a noticeable curve, which might seem odd initially, but this design helps to keep your wrists and hands in a more natural position. Yeah, it looks like it got some kind of a humpback, doesn't it? But if it helped my wrists, I'm all in. Exactly. The hump, or tenton as they call it, is meant to promote a healthier type and posture. Let's dive into the technical specs. The Logitech Ergo K860 is a full-sized keyboard with a width of 17.9 inches, a depth of 9.3 inches, and a height of 1.5 inches. It weighs about 2.4 pounds, which is quite substantial for a keyboard. Wow, that's heavier than my cat! It is heavy, but that's because it includes a non-detachable wrist rest, which adds to its overall size and weight. The keyboard uses scissor switches, offering a laptop-like typing experience. It connects by Bluetooth and can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. 3 devices at once? So I can switch from my laptop to my tablet to my phone with a button press? Exactly. Plus, it uses 2 AAA batteries, which Logitech claims can last up to 2 years. Now, onto the performance. The Ergo K860's scissor switches are quiet and responsive, similar to what you would find on a high-quality laptop. The keys are well spaced, reducing the chance of typos once you get used to the layout. So, no more clacking sounds while I type my emails at midnight? That's right, Tom. The typing experience is smooth and quiet. It's also designed to improve your posture, which can help you to reduce fatigue and discomfort over long typing sessions. Oh, sounds like a dream come true for my tired fingers. Indeed. However, it's not designed for gaming. The latency and lack of N-key rollover make it less suitable for fast-paced or competitive gaming. Let's break down the pros and cons, starting with the pros. First off, it has an ergonomic design. The split layout and tenton promote better posture and reduce wrist strain. Number 2, it has quiet keys. The scissor switches provide a quiet and comfortable typing experience. Number 3, it can connect to multiple devices simultaneously. As I said earlier, it can connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Number 4, we have a very long battery life, lasting for about 2 years, according to what Logitech claims, which is quite impressive. So, it's a win-win, right? What about the cons? As for the cons, well, first off, we have no backlighting, guys, which could be quite disappointing for people who prefer to like in low light environments. Number 2, high rest. Some users find the rest too high, which can be uncomfortable. Number 3, price. Obviously, it doesn't come cheap. It's priced around $130, which is on the pricier side of membrane keyboards. Number 4, size. It's quite large and might take up a lot of disk space. Noted. It's a mixed bag, but it seems to have more pros than cons. When compared to other ergonomic keyboards, the Logitech Ergo K860 stands out for its balance of features and design. For instance, the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic keyboard has a similar split design, but lacks the multi-device connectivity and has a smaller rest. And what about the kinesis advantage too? The Kinesis Advantage 2 offers even more ergonomic features with its fully split and tented design, but it's much more expensive and has a steeper learning curve. So the Ergo K860 is more user-friendly for people just starting with ergonomic keyboards? Exactly, it's a great entry point for those looking to improve their typing posture without breaking the bank or dealing with a complex setup. Speaking of breaking the bank, let's talk about the price to value. At around $130, the Logitech Ergo K860 is not cheap, but it offers a lot for its price.
Yeah, it's pricey for a membrane keyboard, but you get the ergonomic design and multi-device connectivity.
Correct! For someone who spends a lot of time typing, the ergonomic benefits alone could justify the price. Plus, the build quality and features make it a solid investment.
So, why you say it's worth it?
If you're serious about reducing your wrist strain and improving your typing experience, then yes, it's worth it. For general use, it might be a bit overkill, but for anyone looking to improve their ergonomic setup, it's a great option.
Awesome! Thanks for the breakdown, Ben. I would definitely use the link you got in the description to give this space-shaped keyboard a try.
Anytime, Tom. Happy typing.